Singapore airport is really nice. This is all before you go through the gate, so anybody can come here. We're on top of the bridge. People are below, and look at this. This is fantastic. Well, this is not fantastic right here. It's nice, but it's not fantastic. Look at this. This, because it's a viewing mall. That means you can sit here and watch the planes take off. Well, why is that exciting? Because you can't do that at LAX. Because once you drop your friends off to sail or to fly, you just go home. Here you can just park, which of course nobody does because you can take the MRT here and then hang around, or you can, yeah, whatever's. And there is the Merlion and all the duty-free shops and all that, where people are coming in. And there's a play area for kids. I'm going to show you this so you can watch airplanes going. You can just spend all day here. I bring my book here to read, and a free air conditioning, and buy food to eat, and bring the kids to play for free. And you bring your you know, it's like you spend a whole day here with the kids. I know it's hard to see because of the window. I'll try to get over here on this side. And look how fun that is. They even give you paper to draw. 2 to 6 years old only. Oh well. And look at that. Let's hang out here all day. There's Chuck E. Cheese. I see why people like Singapore Airport. And it's not even crowded. And see, look at this beautiful glass. Ah, you can see airplanes take off. This is fun. Oh, and you can even, whoo, a glass floor. Scary. Scary. You can see below where they're loading up your luggage. Oh no, they're loading up food. Yeah, that's fun. I wish LAX was like this. Well, not that I would hang around LAX, but no traffic, no weird crowds and stuff.